Oh, that's a good one, dude.
I just want it in the net. Yeah!
Damn.
That's a huge fish. Pardon my French, YouTube.
Pardon your French.
Oh my God, that's my biggest fish I think I've caught here, maybe ever.
What? Missed one. He's a jumper. Hey, little guy. Thank you for letting me catch you. You're beautiful. I appreciate you.
Face only a mother could love.
Oh, I'm untangled. It is beautiful in every single way. And maybe I won't be able to get untangled. So you will get it. Got him. Flip flop. Greg Louganis. All right, we out here. We're starting right below Lake Estes. A little windy. Making it a little chilly, but it's actually, the air temperature is like 46 degrees, so it's not bad. On the drive up, it looked like there's a ton of ice, so we're gonna take advantage of some of this open water. Josh caught a really nice brown last time we were here. Then after this, we'll work down a little bit until we don't have any open water left. All right, so far, not a lot going. Joshy had one on, but it got off.
You have one on too, right?
Yeah, lost one. Oh, I missed the set. So we're gonna go to a little sweet spot downriver.
Oh, I call that the getting some kind of disease from the river water in your mouth. Ooh, that's an awesome fish. That's beautiful. Beautimus. Off he goes. Right here on the Big T. His beautiful bluebird winter day. Couldn't ask for a better day.
All right, we're at our next spot. We fished here before, had good luck. It's got some nice deeper water. Got some good rainbows in here. Some little browns, but good rainbows. Josh is gonna start downstream just a little bit. We'll see what we can do. I'm gonna keep the camera on. Maybe this first cast will be the lucky one. And maybe I won't be able to get untangled. So you will get it. Oh, I'm untangled. Got one? Yep. Joshy's on, baby. Oh, that's a good fish.
Oh yeah, beautiful fish.
What did he take?
Oh.
He got off?
Yeah. That was a beautiful fish. That's probably 13, 14 inches.
Got him. I'm on. Take a look at him. Nice little rainbow. Self-release. Hey, look at that guy. Active. I don't know what he took. He self-released before I could even tell. Little rainbow. Light take. Nice, Joshy. That's exactly where. Joshy's on one over here. And I'm hung up, so perfect time. Am I blowing up? I'm blowing this spot up. There's Joshy. Oh, that's a good one, dude.
Oh, just won it in the net. Yeah!
Damn.
That's a huge fish. Pardon my French, YouTube.
Pardon your French.
Oh my God, that's my biggest fish I think I've caught here, maybe ever. That
What?
is a blunker.
What, he took the midge?
Yeah, the little tiny 22 size midge.
What color is that thing?
Black and like opal. Holy crap. I didn't want to like say anything while I was pulling it in, like, cause I feel like it's bad juju. That might be the biggest brown I've ever caught. Holy crap.
I'm gonna mark this video.
Oh my God.
Holy crap, that's amazing. Nice, dude.
That is wild.
Congrats. Great fish.
Maybe my biggest trout.
That's amazing. Nice, dude.
Dude, that is wild.
Congrats.
Holy crap. Maybe my biggest trout.
Josh, you're killing it.
Look at him going for that shot. This is another huge one, goodness. Woo!
Holy cow.
That looks like this is a different fish, bro. It's like a whitefish or a sucker or something.
Really?
I don't know what this is. It's like a sucker thing.
Get a picture of it. We'll identify it.
The mouth is on the bottom.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what do they call those?
I think it's a whitefish, yeah.
He take the midge as well?
He took the squirmy. Thank you. Look at how huge that is.
That's a cool fish.
Yeah.
Is that the first time you caught that kind of a fish?
Yeah. I don't know what it is. I've caught carp before, but it had like the colorings of like a brown without the spots. It's really different.
But its mouth is different. It's not a trout.
Yeah, the mouth is like a sucker. Which makes me think, I wonder if I had a couple like those ones that I missed because they have super soft lips, you know, like that's why they came off.
So do you.
That's because I use chapstick. All right, bro, I don't know what you are, but thank you. Look at how huge that is.
That's a cool fish.
Yeah. But thanks for letting me catch you. Face only a mother could love.
I'm not getting the big ones like you, but this one's a beautiful brown. Come here, buddy. Let's show everybody how pretty you are. Missed one. And we're back. Joshy continues to have success with the sucker fish. Whatever the hell the thing is. I lost my rig, so I just threw on a pinkish worm, an RS2, which I haven't fished with before. See if that's gonna work. I might need more depth. It feels like one. There's one. He's a jumper. Oh no, just a rainbow took the pink worm. It's not the most beautiful. It is beautiful in every single way. Get the camera out for the gram. Flip flop. Greg Louganis. He dictated the release. That was Greg. Oh, that's a fishy cast right there. Watch this, people. Now, nothing. My indicators making nice big splashes. Oh, look at me. I catch the biggest brown ever, and now I'm catching all these other species. Damn it! Don't let him fool you. He's one of the nicest people on the planet, but he's also one of the biggest. Bleep it. Now that's a pretty rainbow. Beautiful female. Oh, it took the RS2. Oh.